Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I am Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 2557 Clover Street in Pittsford. This is a one-level, house beautiful, secluded property.
This is an amazing property, so let's take a tour.
This is one-level open living with a white and bright eat-in kitchen. Open to a beam cathedral ceiling great room with patio access and a gas fireplace. Leading to a formal dining room and living room with a wall of windows, a fireplace, and hardwood floors. This home also features a bonus room or executive office with patio access. And 2 separate bedroom wings with 4 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms, including a master. This property is situated on a very private estate-sized lot.
Here we are in Schoen Place in the village of Pittsford.
This charming community offers great restaurants, shops, and is located on the historic Erie Canal. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 2557 Clover Street in Pittsford.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!